Okay. Hi, everybody. Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And I just want to introduce you real quick to what I call my blessing page. Okay. Just a name I came up with. I kind of like the name, so I stuck with it. And on this page, you'll find a couple of opportunities that you might be interested in. Great way to make some money online. We've got some, if you're just looking for some great health and wellness products, okay, we have those available for you. Some incredible handcrafted artwork, original art, pottery, wall decor, etc. Okay, and here you'll see an instant $47 payments paid to you daily. Okay, so you can check that out as well. And and in this video, I'm going to look at the first one. Okay, and that's 100% payout program. Get paid instantly, no limits. Check it out here. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go ahead and go here. And let me just take a look at these. This is a free business opportunity. Okay, you become a small business funding agent. All right, and you can go here to sign up. It's absolutely free, free training, no experience needed. Okay, and with the new products that we have, a really great chance and easier way to make a lot of money online. This is free, and this latest product was just released just a little while ago. So you might be interested in learning more about that. Take your future into your own hands, write your own story, live your own life, create wealth. Okay, you can go here to check out that program here. So it's real simple. Come here, take a look, see what might interest you. I'm going to go here right now and see what this first program is all about. Okay, so the first program and just going to look at one program today, and this one. It's called the Ultimate License. All right, and here it says introducing the Ultimate License 100% payout program for everyone who wants to make money. All right, you get paid instantly. To your PayPal account. You get paid 100% of the money. Okay. And it's just $19 one time out of pocket, but you'll be able to make $19 over and over again. Okay, there's no sharing your money and no admin fees, no limits on how much you can make. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced online veteran, the Ultimate License will make you money. Okay, here we are, and it says here's what everyone loves: the simplicity of the program, as there is no experience necessary, the affordability of the program, the instant payments and no limits. Everyone benefits in many ways. Okay, the 3-day 100% free review. And here's what you get for reviewing. Okay, this is just for reviewing. But again, look, it's only $19 one time out of pocket to get started, and it's an annual membership for $19. Okay. And you can make multiple $19 over and over again. So you're just for the review, though, it's over 300 ebooks and other download products for free. A complete no strings attached review to see how it works. Okay, the ability to make an informed decision to improve your financial future. You'll come here, you'll start your free review, or you can just go ahead and pay the $19, and it's a great program. Okay. And so, but there you have it for this Ultimate License. Maybe the next time we'll kind of go inside and take a look around. I want to make this video pretty short. And there you have it. Okay. And be sure you stop and check out my blessing page. I'll leave the link there so that you can grab hold of it and you can take a look around and check everything out. We've got some incredible stuff. We're going to be adding more stuff to our blessing page, and there may be 2 blessing pages. Okay, I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Hope to see you on the inside real soon. Bye-bye now.